Millions of Reese's peanut butter cups are made every single day.
But how are these iconic chocolate treats actually made? The process starts with high-quality chocolate.
Chocolate is melted and carefully tempered.
Tempering gives chocolate its shine and snap.
Meanwhile, the peanut butter filling is prepared. The mixture must be smooth and consistent.
First, liquid chocolate is deposited into cup-shaped molds.
Each mold receives the exact same amount. The molds move through a vibration station.
If you enjoy factory documentaries, subscribe for more. This removes air bubbles and levels the base.
Next, excess chocolate is inverted out.
This creates the thin outer shell.
The molds enter a cooling tunnel. Cooling stabilizes the chocolate structure. Now the peanut butter filling is added. A precise amount of peanut butter is deposited into each shell. The filling must not overflow. Consistency is carefully controlled. Each cup moves forward in perfect alignment. Now the top layer of chocolate seals the cup.
The top chocolate layer spreads evenly across the surface.
Excess chocolate is carefully removed. Each cup must have a uniform thickness. Sensors verify the height and weight. Now the cups move into a second cooling tunnel.
Cooling solidifies the chocolate completely.
Temperature is reduced gradually. Rapid cooling could cause cracking.
Proper tempering ensures a glossy finish.
Surface quality is inspected.
Defective pieces are automatically removed.
Only perfect cups move forward.
Now, packaging begins. Each cup is placed into a paper liner.
The lined cups move into wrapping machines.
Foil wrapping protects freshness.
The wrapped cups are grouped for retail packaging.
The wrapped cups move to the cartoning line.
Flat carton blanks are automatically formed. Inserted with precise timing.
Each box contains the exact quantity. Cartons are sealed securely. Date codes are printed for traceability. Vision systems inspect every package. Defective cartons are rejected automatically. Approved cartons continue forward. Cartons are packed into larger shipping cases.
Shipping cases are sealed tightly.
Labels are applied automatically. Cases are stacked onto pallets.
Stretch wrap secures the load. Finished pallets move to distribution. Every day, thousands of cases leave the factory. Temperature control protects the chocolate. From factory to warehouses. From warehouses to stores. And finally, to customers around the world. From melted chocolate to finished cups. Every step is carefully engineered. Precision ensures consistency. Automation guarantees safety. Quality control never stops. This is how modern confectionery is made.
And this is the process behind Reese's peanut butter cups. It all begins with perfectly tempered chocolate.
Measured peanut butter filling is deposited with precision.
The cooling process locks in texture and shine.
Advanced inspection systems scan every single cup.
Each cup is individually wrapped for freshness.
Robotic systems prepare them for shipment.
Millions are produced daily with industrial precision. This is how Reese's peanut butter cups are made in modern factories.